beautiful day outside, and I think we're gonna try to wash Nathan's car. Well, our car. It needs cleaning, and so I'm gonna surprise him with it. Anna's gonna help me. Surprise Daddy. Baby Anna's just gonna sit there and watch while I wash the car. First, I have to clean out all the trash because it's really bad. A spoon? What was that from? Not all of that was trash, but some of it just needed to go bye-bye. It's super bad in here, but we haven't done this in a really long time. Alright, since Anna's still pretty happy, I'm gonna go ahead and wash the car. It's a beautiful day out here. It's 70 something and it's mid-January. Gotta love South Carolina! I'm too short to get the top of the car very well. Nathan will have to get that some other time. So dirty, baby girl. Not entirely sure. Might have gotten Anna wet. Whoops. Okay. It's definitely not going to be the best wash job ever because Anna's a little fuzzy. But then I've also squirted her with the hose twice. Ah! That's no good. Maybe she's getting a little bit chilly. Or maybe she just doesn't want me in her seat anymore. I'm almost done with our car. But Anna just has had enough. So I'm gonna see if I can try to finish it with her in this thing. We'll see if it works. And we're done. It looks really good. It's not as good as Nathan would get it, but it's as good as it's gonna get for today. At least we got some of the grunge off and we can have a clean car now. Anna's done. She's ready to go inside, but it's been a beautiful day out here. So warm and everything. We're both out here in our bare feet because that's just how we roll. Let me know in the comments if you've ever washed a car with a baby in a sling or a carrier.